I have just shared the feedback form in the chat. Please do fill out this form in order to complete one of the assignment of this course level 1 session. So please fill out this feedback form. And yes, please, if you have any query, question, or a feedback or a thoughts as well, please do unmute yourself and you can share directly. And if you are comfortable, you can also share in the chat as well. And I am also going to paste the link of the WhatsApp group, which we have shared a few minutes before. So if you haven't joined the group, please do join. You will get updates of our upcoming classes regarding your tech links. And if you have any query and question, you can directly ask from the WhatsApp group as well.
We also run programs for schools. So if any of you feel that your school might be interested, please do get in touch with us, either on the WhatsApp group or through Teacher Class, and we'll be very happy to discuss with you and take it forward. So this is an open platform. This is like Wikipedia. The reason we are doing it is education is there are 61 boards in India. There are so many regional languages. There are so many subjects, and such a large enterprise cannot be done in a for-profit manner. It can only be done in a community where all of us teachers get together and make a wonderful platform. So that is the effort that we are undertaking with a lot of support from a lot of people like you. So in a very short time, we have almost 600, 700 schools which are working with us, which is enormous support given by the teacher community and by the school community to the platform. So please do support us by inviting other people to join us, by inviting schools to join us, because the more of us who are here, the more we will be able to get donations and support from our donors, and also have a larger community to work on high quality resources. So we will look forward to contributions from you on the community as you work with us, and I feel together we can make a very wonderful platform. So thank you all for joining us today. Really a very nice session. I enjoyed talking to all of you and listening to all of your comments and feedback and thoughts. Thank you, everyone. Suchitra, you want to say something?
Sir, I just missed the information. I joined a bit late.
No issue, ma'am. I'll share the meeting live class recording as well, so you can check the details from the live class recording. Watch it and you can follow the session as well.
Where you have shared, can I know that?
I am going to share in the chat, ma'am. Just in a minute, I'm going to the chat.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
The solutions are along with the questions. Along with the questions, the solutions are also given. So just one second. So for example, I am going in history, for example, any subject which you go to, and I am going to this particular period, and you see this assessment here. So assessment, maybe the first page is talking about question, and then there are answers given here.
So thank you so much, teachers, for being patient and